let's build a mini app in today's video. Is everybody ready? All right. If you haven't watched the recent video, please go check it out so that you're not confused in today's recent video. So, going to make sure to watch the recent video before we get started with today's video, because in today's video we use the latest base documentation, the new documentation, to build up a mini app from scratch using the base documentation. Alright. Awesome. Keep it based, keep it based, keep it based. Stay building, builders. Keep it based, be based every day. I just noticed I'm wearing my shirt the wrong way. Oh my god. I'm wearing my shirt the wrong way. Just give me a minute. Alright. Okay, let's. Alright, that's better now. That's better now. Awesome. Hey guys, astromartain here. If you're new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe, leave a like. I will be guiding you all throughout your blockchain journey, from base mini apps to EVMs to amazing stuff you could do with the blockchain technologies. You could do more with blockchain technology, and Web3 is the future. Alright, I hope that made a good intro. Okay guys, let's get started. It's funny how I don't edit my videos, but I like to keep it real with all y'all. I like to keep it real with everybody. So just feel like I'm right there with you. So let's get started. So what you see on the screen is just mini build, guys. Before we get started, please visit mini build at minibuild.xyz. It's minibuild.xyz, sorry. Minibuild.xyz. Sign up for minibuild.xyz. Amazing features coming soon. Updates, we're pushing new updates. And the mini build is built with my colleague and my favorite blockchain buddy, Precious on Chain, and your boy astromartain. Check out mini build, that's minibuild.xyz, and let's get started in today's video. Alright, so in today's video, we hit up our base documentation. We start to build a mini vibe coded, no code. All right, so feel safe, it's no code. All right, so mini app, you just click mini app, visit the base.org. Let's just start building. All right, awesome. So I'm gonna use Kesa for today's video. Kesa, I'm gonna start a new window. All right. Open project. My documents. I'm gonna save this as 2025 mini app. You could name it whatever you want to name your folder as. I'm just naming it that. So 2025 mini app is gonna be the folder. I'm gonna open it here. Awesome. Okay. I'm just gonna put my new terminal there. Terminal command, so that's new, then new terminal, or the shortcut besides that, you could use that shortcut there. Okay, so I'm just gonna push my right there. Let me just push that down. Okay. Okay, so we could push this to the side for now, and let's focus on the documentation. Okay, so right here we'll scroll up and say create mini app. If we come on create mini app, we get started, and make sure that you have the prerequisites, base app and the Vercel. If you want an overview on what the latest the latest base documentation is all about, watch my recent video. I cover just a walkthrough on what latest features they've added and all that. So deploy the template is the first step. So let's do this. Deploy the template. All right, so we're gonna build a mini app that will let users know that 2025 was an amazing year. So it's just like, okay, uh, what accomplishments have you achieved in 2025, right? Yeah, so let's create an app. Let's create a mini app that will tell um, the user to take down what accomplishments they achieved in 2025. All right, so I'm just gonna make this public, and public repository. What would be the name? I'm just gonna say 2025 2025 mini app. Okay, that's okay. 2025 mini app will be the repository name. All right, that's okay. Create. Okay, so let's just give it some time. All right, so I'm gonna name this the same name. Just gonna call it 2025 mini app. This is just for the sake of the tutorial. You could name it whatever mini app you're gonna create just while you're following my steps, but you could name it whatever your mini app will be called. All right, so just for the sake of this video. So like I said, please be cautious of your next public project name, because what you name it here is what you need once we're pulling the repository. So if you want more explanation on what I'm actually saying throughout these steps, there's a recent video you could check out, and I have already done a video based on that. So please feel free to go check out that video. I will emphasize that a lot, just in case you feel like you're being left out. Just check that video, then come and watch this video again. All right. Okay, so like I said, if you're new to this channel, astromartain here, and I show you how to create amazing mini apps for the base, and how to use CDP, and that's the Coinbase development what's this portal, or the Coinbase development platform, however you want to call it, and how to leverage and make sure that you're using blockchain technology to an amazing potential over here. If these are videos that you want to be seeing on your feed on YouTube, please do not forget to click that subscribe button. It's free. Share my videos, and let's keep building. Follow me on X at NSSalak. If you have something you'd love to tip me with, my best address is astromartain.base.eth. Feel free to hit me up. We could also connect. All right. I'm just waiting for this. I'm just waiting for the deployment to finish up. While we're waiting for that, we have to clone, and we have to clone by Vercel, make the local edits. All right, so that's git clone. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to do this. Just give it a minute. Just give it a minute. Okay, so it's still deploying. Let's just give it some time. I just noticed my headsets weren't connected. This is when they connected. Why didn't anyone tell me this? Like the headsets weren't connected. All right, so there you have it. Let's just continue to dashboard. And I kind of hurt my muscle pull during training today. It hurts. Oh, damn. Okay, we're gonna make it. All right. Okay, so it's deployed. Awesome. Okay, now we just have to visit the repository. Let's click on main. Okay, so let me just do that one more time for video viewers who didn't see that. So just click on main source. Okay, so the source, you click on main, it takes you there. Then you're gonna click here, code. All right. So once you're here, this is your repository, and once your repository is gonna click the code section here, and there are different functionalities on Git. I hope to make a video on Git technologies. Also understand that Git technology and GitHub are two different things. Git is a technology, then GitHub is the service providing the Git technology. So do not confuse that. So there are different types of services that provide Git technology. There's GitLab, GitHub, and all different sorts. So Git technology is a technology dealing with version control. Version control is just cloning or being able to have different versions of your project or your source code in multiple categorized with date stamps and time, and managing the time frame of how your project was changing, just in case you want to go back to before something happened or something was added. And it also helps you compare what has changed in your code. So it's an amazing technology. So search up Git technology and understand it better. And you could interact with Git technology or Git itself using a command line interface on your terminal. Like you could just write the code instantly in your command line terminal using the command line interface, like this right here. So this command here is, you need to make sure that you have the git CLI installed in your computer or on your terminal so that it could work. I will give you an example. You're seeing this magic keyword right here, these magic words right here in the base documentation. So this is what you're seeing right here. Okay. All right. So back to GitHub. So that's what we're copying. We copy this. So this is all good because we have to make sure that your project has a repository, it has a storage, and also just for the safety of making sure that your files are well kept. Okay, so we go back to our caser, and we clone that. So cloning is just like replicating or downloading that project. It's your mini app um, your mini app default template, or the mini app itself. We just want to have a replica or a clone or another version of it downloaded on our computer so that we can modify it, if that makes sense to you. Like I said, the recent video emphasizes on what exactly we're doing, what cloning is, and what we're actually doing. But just understand that this is a very important step, and you should always do this. Okay. All right. So here we go. Kindly note that you could also you could also vibe code this and just tell your code. Okay, in fact, matter of fact, let's just vibe code this. Let's just vibe code this. All right. I'm with you. I'm with you all the way. I'm with you all the way. Always know that. Okay, so let's do this. Here we go. Clone this project. Okay, then I'm gonna put that command there. And all right. So what do we have? Okay, just making sure we haven't forgot anything. SSH. You don't have any public SSH keys in your GitHub account. You can add new public keys. Try GitHub. Blah blah blah. Okay. All right. See, like whatever. Okay. All right. Okay. So what you want to do is go back to. So you just say git clone. All right. So let's just say git clone. Sorry for that. Let's just say git clone. All right. Back here. Back here. All right. Remove this. So we say clone this project, git clone. Then we pick up the address repository here. We go back here, and this is our address repository. All right. Back here again, and we place that in there. Awesome. You see that? Okay. Then back. Okay. And let's clone that before we go to this step here. So back again, here we go. All right, okay, so great, the project has been successfully cloned. Let's check that out. All right, so it's right there, 2025 mini app. Okay, awesome. Okay, so we want to cd into the project file. Let's do that. Back here, we want to cd into the project, so we just cd back, we just say cd into the project file, to the project file, then back here again, and then we want to have the packages or dependencies all installed, right? So we go back and tell it that same thing and say and then npm install. Do you get it? Do you get it? Awesome. Oh, let me grab something to. It's 1 a.m. by the way. All right. Is it happening? Oh yeah, it is. It is. It's right here. It's actually doing it from its dedicated terminal. Okay, so it's so cool. All right, awesome. So it's done. It says perfect. The dependencies have been successfully installed. I can see this successfully installed 746 packages installed. All right, so package log.json. We could look at the packages that have been installed. Okay, we have Farcaster, quick auth, we have next, we have type node. What else? We have ESLint. Okay, good versions. All right, we have the packages installed. Awesome. Okay. Let's go. What's the next step? Okay, so update the manifest configuration. The minikit configuration TypeScript file is responsible for configuration of everything that the JSON and creating the embed, whatever. You can customize it. Sorry. You can customize this by manifest of updating. So I'll check for details on each field. See the field references. All right, so let's do this. They play. Um, I could do this. I'm gonna I'm gonna paste this in right here. Okay, see that? Okay, I just pasted all that in. Then there's section 4, right? And section 4 is just all account association. So I'm gonna go to my base Dave, and once you have an account here, you have to come to where it says preview. Okay, then you need to come where it says account association. All right. So right now, if we check if our app 2025 mini app is if it's associated with our account, let's take a look. All right. No, it's not. So we need to make sure that we verify that it's associated with our account. So we can say verify. I know you connected. All right. Sign in with the manifest to verify your mini app ownership. All right. I'm gonna need to sign in with my manifest, but then okay, I want for this tutorial because my phone's off. So let's sign the manifest and do this part in the next video. Subscribe and hit the like button if we get more than 10 likes in this video. I dropped the next video with my phone charged. All right. Let's just focus on maybe having a preview done on the console and all that stuff. All right. So it's actually working. Okay, so you could see that console, and it says ready. Okay, so it's already embedded, like the embed is working and all that is working, right? So you could see that it's working. That there, okay, that there is what you're actually seeing on the frame right there. So just remove my beautiful face out of the way, out of the way. All right, so you could see that it's working. Um, but then it's not yet verified that I have ownership to the mini app yet. So that's the issue there. Okay, so nevertheless, let's focus on making sure that we're completed. Then let's have this part in the next video, right? Thumbs up, guys. Let's do this. All right, so back again. We could say what would we want to say? Here we go. Okay, just make sure I haven't forgot anything in the documentation. Let's go back. Let's go back. Let's go back. Okay, we're gonna do that part. Then indicate configuration. Okay, so all that's just ownership and verification part. Okay, so ownership and verification video coming up next. For now, let me stick to what I promised you guys. So let's just continue customizing it and fixing up the mini app. All right, so let's just remove this, and we're gonna say that I need you to replace the default template with a, a simple MVP of a well designed 2025 what did you accomplish list of things for the user to input and react with an emoji and save. Add some adjustments. Advice on the idea. All right, so advice on the idea. Do you get it? All right, so I really don't want to have what I'm drinking on the camera, so I'm just gonna hold it like this. Sorry, let me get my beautiful face out of the way. Awesome. Okay, what do we have here? All right, so it says, yeah, I get it. You want to replace your default waitlist template with a what did you accomplish today MVP app where users can input their accomplishments for the day, react with emojis to their entries, save their progress, view accomplishment list. This is a great idea for the productivity. Yes, this is what I want. Okay, it's just from accomplishments tracker. Let me first do examine. It's gonna examine that. And if you like my prompts, please feel free to copy them. Perfect. Let me start by updating the configuration, then updating the tracker. First, let me update the minikit. Now let me update the, okay. Now let me create a main page, accomplishments, whatever, stuff like that. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, here we go. So it's still doing its thing. Let's give it some time, then once it's done, I'm gonna hit you up with the updates, right? Alright, it's done. Let's take a look. Perfect. I have successfully transformed your default waitlist templates into a beautiful what did you accomplish today MVP. Here's an accomplishment. It's what features does it have? It has accomplishment input, emoji, reactions, and local storage. It has progress tracking, delete fraction, mode in 2025 design, and app structure. Alright. App structure is good. Let's try to run this. Innit? Alright, so making sure that I'm in the right file. Am I in? Without I'm in the right file. So I'm just gonna say Oh, sorry guys. Sorry. I'm not allowed to write any code. We have to vibe code. We have to vibe code. Uh, cd into the project directory in the project directory and run the app and run and run the app on local server. So basically, I just want to see it on local server before we push it to Vercel. I can see you already running the development server. Oh, okay. So it says that the development server is already running. So let's just copy this. I think it's right here. Yeah, I didn't see that. It was actually running right here. Okay, so let's just check it out. Here we go. Let me just remove my face and put myself there. Okay, it's taking long. Let's just take a look. Okay, so it's ready. It's just compiling. Let me just push this here and close this. Yeah. The hide sidebar, please. Okay. Ooh, compiling is taking long. Let me do like a shortcut. Let's shift command R. Does this work here? Shift option command R. Let's give it some time. Let's just wait for it to finish compiling. Alright. Okay, nice. It's done. It's done compiling. Alright, okay, awesome. We have a git 200, awesome. Okay, so here we have it. So what did you accomplish today? Hey there, celebrate your wins, track your daily progress, and build a momentum. Accomplishment: created my first mini app on the new base documentation with my Martians. Awesome. Add accomplishments. Our buttons not even working yet. We haven't made it work. But like, you can polish it up. I'll share the repository so you guys can polish it up in it. Alright. If you cancel that, oh, and what button was added for. But anyways, AI vibe coding. Alright, so this could be made more amazing and nice. So here's a challenge. I'm gonna share this repository in the description down below this video. Tag me in an X post and let's see what you did with the work in it. All right, awesome. So let's okay. So you could push it to Vercel production, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So Control C just to get off the saver mode. All right. Okay. Push it to. Okay, so push it to production in Vercel. Oh, to Vercel. Sorry, to Vercel. Come out of saver mode. Okay, so there you have it. npm install. You send the Vercel command line interface so that the command can actually work. And right here, I'm trying to. Okay. You can see that it's actually installing the Vercel command line interface in order for it to work. So once it installs the Vercel command line interface, and the command to push to production is going to work. And once you come here, it's going to redeploy this, and you won't see this, and what you will see is this, because it will push the updates. Same time, your GitHub repository will also be updated. How cool is that? Super cool, right? All right, so we did 30 minutes on this video. We did 30 minutes on this video. I can't go way beyond that. Watch out for the update video. Um, more videos to drop soon and with amazing cool features. I hope to feature amazing builders on the channel too, starting next week. Fingers crossed. I'm putting on more builders, and if you want to feature, hit me up on X and make sure you are a dedicated subscriber, and you leave your comments below this video. Martian out, and see you guys in the next video.